Welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. We're really happy to have you with us today. I'm Anna, and I love sharing simple and natural ways to learn English.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom, and I'm excited to learn and grow in English together with you.
This podcast is a friendly space where English feels easy, relaxed, and part of your daily life.
If you want to become a better English learner step by step, you're in the right place.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
When you subscribe, you get regular practice, real conversations, and useful topics that help you improve naturally.
Subscribing also helps you stay motivated and build a strong learning habit.
So take a moment to subscribe, get comfortable, and enjoy learning English with us.
Today, we're talking about how to become a better English learner, not by studying harder, but by learning smarter.
Many learners think they must study for many hours every day, but that's not always true.
What really matters is how you use English in your daily life.
Becoming a better learner starts with simple actions like listening, speaking, reading, and thinking in English a little every day.
For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can say simple sentences to yourself.
I woke up early. I feel sleepy. Today will be busy.
These small sentences help your brain switch into English mode.
When you eat breakfast, you can describe what you see and do.
I'm drinking coffee. The food is hot. It tastes good.
This kind of practice feels easy because it matches real life.
A better English learner also listens a lot, even when not studying.
Listening to podcasts, short videos, or simple conversations helps your ears get used to English sounds.
You don't need to understand every word. Just listening regularly helps your brain recognize patterns.
Speaking is also very important, even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are trying, and trying is how you improve. A better learner is not afraid of mistakes.
They focus on communication, not perfection.
Another good habit is using English in small moments.
While walking outside, you can describe what you see.
I see cars. The street is busy. The weather is hot.
These simple descriptions build vocabulary naturally.
Reading also helps, especially short and easy texts.
Reading short stories, messages, or captions gives you new words in context.
When you see a new word, don't worry too much.
Try to understand it from the sentence, not from translation.
Writing can be simple too.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences about your day.
Today I studied English. I felt tired but happy.
Writing helps organize your thoughts in English.
A better English learner also repeats.
Repeating words, sentences, and stories helps memory.
Listening to the same audio again is very useful.
Each time, you understand more without effort.
Learning English should feel natural, not stressful.
When learning feels enjoyable, you continue longer.
Becoming a better English learner is a journey, not a race.
Small steps every day bring big results over time.
And the most important thing is to keep going, even on busy days.
Even 5 minutes of English practice is better than none.
Little by little, English becomes part of your life.
And when English becomes part of your life, improvement comes naturally.
Let's continue from there, because becoming a better English learner doesn't stop with habits. It grows with how you think about learning every day.
That's true, and many learners feel excited at the beginning, but then lose motivation after a short time.
A better learner understands that motivation goes up and down, and that's normal.
On days when you feel tired, you don't need to study hard, you just need to stay connected to English.
Staying connected can be very simple, like listening while doing something else.
For example, when you are cleaning your room or washing dishes, you can play English audio in the background.
Even if you don't listen carefully, your ears are still learning.
This kind of passive listening is very helpful over time.
A better learner also learns to enjoy the process, not only the result.
Instead of thinking, I want to be fluent fast, you can think, I enjoy learning something new today.
That small change makes learning feel lighter and less stressful.
Another important thing is choosing the right level.
When the material is too difficult, learners feel frustrated.
When it's too easy, they feel bored.
A better learner chooses content that feels comfortable, but still a little challenging.
For example, you understand most of it, but a few words are new.
That's the perfect level for improvement.
Let's talk about speaking again, because many learners avoid it.
Yes, speaking feels scary for many people.
A better learner finds safe ways to practice speaking.
Talking to yourself is a great start.
You can describe your plans for the day.
I will go to school. I will meet my friends. I will study English.
You can also talk about your feelings.
I feel tired today, but I want to learn.
These sentences train your mouth and your confidence.
Listening and speaking work best together.
When you listen to a short dialogue, try to repeat some sentences.
You don't need to repeat everything, just what feels useful.
Repeating helps your pronunciation and rhythm.
A better English learner also notices real English around them.
Signs, labels, menus, and messages can all be learning tools.
When you see English, stop for a moment and read it.
Ask yourself simple questions like, what does this mean?
Curiosity is very important in learning.
Curious learners improve faster because they pay attention.
Another helpful habit is reviewing, not memorizing.
Instead of trying to remember many words at once, review a few words many times.
You can see a word today, hear it tomorrow, and use it next week.
That's how words become part of your natural English.
A better English learner is also patient with mistakes.
Making mistakes doesn't mean you're bad at English.
It means you're learning actively.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
Learning English is like building a house, one brick at a time.
You don't see big changes every day, but the house is growing.
When you compare yourself to others, learning feels harder.
A better learner compares today with yesterday, not with other people.
Small progress is still progress.
And small progress every day becomes big progress in the future.
So keep going, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep enjoying English.
Because when learning feels good, you stay longer and learn better.
Another thing that really helps learners grow is learning to notice English instead of forcing it. Because when you notice language naturally, it stays longer in your mind.
That's true. And noticing can happen anywhere, not only during study time.
When you hear English in a movie, a video, or even a short clip online, your brain starts collecting patterns.
At first, those patterns feel confusing, but slowly they become familiar.
Familiar English feels comfortable, and comfort builds confidence.
Confidence is very important, especially for speaking.
Many learners know grammar and vocabulary, but they feel shy when speaking.
That shyness often comes from fear of making mistakes.
A better learner understands that mistakes are part of learning, not a problem.
When you make a mistake and continue speaking, your confidence grows.
Stopping every time you make a mistake breaks your flow.
Keeping the flow is more important than being perfect.
That's why simple sentences are so powerful.
Simple sentences allow you to express ideas without stress.
For example, instead of searching for a long sentence, you can say one idea at a time.
I was late. The bus didn't come. I felt nervous.
These short sentences still tell a clear story.
Storytelling is another key part of becoming a better English learner.
Stories help you connect words, actions, and feelings together.
When you tell a story, even a very simple one, you use English actively.
Active use helps words move from your head to your mouth.
A good habit is retelling small moments from your day.
What you did in the morning, what you ate, or who you met. These daily stories don't need special vocabulary.
They use common words that you repeat every day.
Repetition builds fluency without effort.
Another important part is listening with patience.
Many learners stop listening because they don't understand everything.
But understanding everything is not the goal.
Understanding the main idea is already enough.
Over time, details become clearer naturally.
This is how children learn their first language too.
They listen a lot before they speak well.
Better learners trust this process. They don't rush themselves.
Rushing creates pressure, and pressure blocks learning.
A calm learner learns faster than a stressed learner.
Another helpful habit is using English to describe feelings.
Feelings are personal, so they are easier to remember.
Saying, "I'm tired," "I'm excited," or "I feel nervous" connects English to real emotions.
When English connects to emotions, it feels more real.
Better learners also practice listening to themselves.
Recording your voice and listening again can be very helpful.
At first, it may feel uncomfortable.
But later, you start to notice improvement.
You hear clearer pronunciation and smoother sentences.
That awareness helps you improve naturally.
Another thing is learning to enjoy silence when speaking.
Silence is not bad. It gives you time to think.
Speaking slowly with pauses sounds confident.
Speaking fast with fear sounds nervous.
Better learners choose clarity over speed.
Speed comes with time, but clarity comes with practice.
English learning is not about doing everything at once.
It's about doing small things every day.
Small habits create big results over time.
When learners accept this, learning becomes easier and more enjoyable.
As we come to the final part, it's important to remember that becoming a better English learner is not about reaching a finish line, because learning never really stops.
Yes, English grows with you, and the more you use it, the more it becomes part of who you are.
Many learners think they need one big moment to feel successful, but real success comes from many small moments.
Small moments like understanding a sentence without translating, or answering a question more easily than before.
Those moments may feel small, but they are powerful signs of progress.
When you notice those signs, you feel more confident and motivated.
Confidence changes how you learn.
A confident learner is not afraid to try, speak, or listen more.
Trying is always better than waiting.
Even when your English is not perfect, communication still happens.
And communication is the real goal of language learning.
Another thing better learners understand is that everyone learns differently.
Some people learn faster through listening, others through speaking or reading.
There is no single right way to learn English.
The best way is the way that fits your life in your personality.
When learning fits your life, you don't give up easily.
Giving up usually happens when learning feels too heavy.
That's why keeping English simple and enjoyable is so important.
Enjoyment keeps you consistent, and consistency builds fluency.
Even 10 minutes a day can change your English over time.
Those 10 minutes add up without you noticing.
One day, you suddenly realize that English feels easier.
You understand more, you speak with less fear, and you think more naturally.
That moment comes from patience and daily effort.
Becoming a better English learner also means being kind to yourself.
Learning a language takes time, and mistakes are normal.
Every learner makes mistakes, even advanced ones.
What matters is continuing, not stopping.
When you continue, you improve.
And when you improve, learning becomes more enjoyable.
English is not just a subject, it's a tool to connect with people in the world.
The more you use it, the more confident you become.
So keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in your progress.
Step by step, day by day, you are becoming a better English learner.
Before we go, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing gives you regular stories, tips, and practice to make your English stronger every day.
Yes, by subscribing, you join our learning community, stay motivated, and never miss new episodes full of fun and practical English.
Thank you for learning with us today, and remember to use English in your daily life.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.